Welcome to Be Tech Ninja, your journey from novice to ninja in tech. This is the third installment of my series on question and answer segment based on different technologies. Today I will be covering 10 questions on the part 2 of Salesforce administration. I will also be sharing some pro tips around those questions, so please stay tuned till end if you don't wish to miss anything. Before we begin, subscribe to my channel to Be Tech Ninja in your tech journey. What is a sandbox in Salesforce? A Salesforce sandbox is a copy of your production environment for testing and development purposes. A pro tip to get an edge over other candidates. Highlight the importance of using sandboxes to test new configurations and developments before implementing them in the live environment, ensuring a smooth user experience. Subscribe to my channel for more such pro tips. Let's move on to the next question. Explain the difference between a validation rule and a workflow rule. A validation rule ensures data accuracy by preventing users from entering incorrect information, while a workflow rule automates standard internal processes based on certain criteria. A pro tip to stand out in the interview. Emphasize that validation rules act in real time during data entry, while workflow rules trigger automated actions after record creation or modification. If you want a practical example from me, then please comment down below. Moving on, the next question in the list. What is governor limit in Salesforce? Governor limits are predefined runtime limits set by Salesforce to ensure efficient use of resources and prevent abuse of the system. This is what you can do to score some extra points during the interview. Discuss the significance of governor limits in maintaining system performance and scalability, and share strategies for optimizing code to stay within these limits. I hope you will remember this tip. Let's see the next question. How does role hierarchy impact record access in Salesforce? The role hierarchy defines a ranking of roles, influencing the level of access users have to records based on their position in the hierarchy. Do this to grab the interviewer's attention. Explain how to leverage the role hierarchy to simplify record access management, and discuss scenarios where it's crucial for reflecting organizational structure in Salesforce. Let's move on to the next question. What is the difference between a trigger and a workflow rule? Triggers are pieces of code that execute before or after records are inserted, updated, or deleted, whereas workflow rules automate standard internal processes without code. Here is a bonus tip for you. Discuss scenarios where using a trigger is necessary for complex logic or data manipulation, emphasizing the role of triggers in customizing behavior beyond what workflow rules can achieve. I hope you are getting along well with this video. If you have suggestions, then please drop a comment down below. The next question is, how does Data Loader differ from Data Import Wizard? Data Loader is a powerful bulk data migration tool for complex operations, while Data Import Wizard is a simpler tool for smaller data imports. Follow this tip to score brownie point during the interview. Recommend using Data Import Wizard for quick and straightforward tasks, reserving Data Loader for larger data sets or operations requiring more advanced capabilities. Subscribe to my channel if you want to become pro with Salesforce administration. Let's move on to the next question. What is the significance of the View All and Modify All permissions in profiles? View All allows a user to view all records, and Modify All grants permission to modify any record, regardless of ownership. A quick tip to ace the interview: caution on the extensive use of Modify All due to potential data integrity risks, and share instances where careful application of these permissions is essential for specific user roles. Let's move on to the next question. What is the difference between a dashboard and a report in Salesforce? In Salesforce, a report is a collection of data displayed in a tabular or graphical format, providing insights into specific records. A dashboard, on the other hand, is a visual representation of key metrics and trends, often comprising multiple reports, charts, and components. Follow this tip to make an impact on the interviewer. Illustrate the impact of each relationship type on data structure and integrity. Share experiences where choosing one relationship type over the other was crucial for meeting specific business requirements. We are getting closer to the end of this video. I hope you are getting some helpful insights here. Comment down below your thoughts. Let's see, what do we have as the next question. Explain the concept of a roll-up summary field. A roll-up summary field is a custom field on a master record that aggregates values from related detail records. I bet if you apply this tip, your chances of moving into the next round of the interview will increase. Share scenarios where roll-up summary fields simplify reporting and data analysis by providing a consolidated view of information from related records. Finally, we are here. Let's see what's our next question. What are permission sets in Salesforce and how are they different from profiles? Permission sets are additional permissions that can be assigned to users, extending their access beyond what is defined in their profiles. Unlike profiles, permission sets are additive. Save this pro tip, it will serve as the cherry on the top with regards to this question. Discuss the flexibility offered by permission sets in granting specific permissions to users without changing their overall profile, emphasizing the modular and customizable nature of permission sets. This was it from my 10 questions and answers series on Salesforce administration. I picked up some random questions and tried answering them. Do let me know which part you liked most. Is there anything that I missed? Comment below if you have any requests and suggestions. Thank you for your time today. Subscribe now to Be Tech Ninja with me.